Alright guys, so I'm installing the Genie SilentMax 750. Replacing this old Sears without sensors because they're selling the house. Here's the before. So yep, not the quietest setup, but I'm too tired today for a quiet one. Alright guys, so it's all installed. It's the Genie 3055. It came with 2 of these and one of the keypads. And then the button right here. I'll go ahead and run this down. I love this opener that hangs up there. Came out good. Sensors, the reason they replaced this old Craftsman is because they're selling the house and it needs sensors, and that one didn't have sensors. So you can see all the sensor wiring ran neatly. You have your light button and the button. Your lock. So I'll go ahead and run this up. We'll use the wall button here. And I reused the old door bracket because that was when Chamberlain made good stuff. And yep, that's pretty much it. So hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video.